system, do not be found guilty of the system, because you are a catalyst of change. A catalyst is something that has got, simply put, it's something that has got power to advocate change without being affected by the process of change. That's why before you build a family, God will build you first. Before you build a business, God will build you first. Of course, there are different degrees of being built by God. Sometimes when you are building the house is also building